Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix if your AirPods not pairing or disconnecting on iOS 18. Step 1. Turn Bluetooth off then on. Open setting then Bluetooth. Turn Bluetooth off, wait for 5 seconds then turn on again. This refreshes the wireless connection. Step 2. Forget AirPods and reconnect. Go to settings then Bluetooth. Tap the eye icon next to your AirPods. Tap forget this device. Open the AirPods case and reconnect. This resets the pairing and fix most connection issue. Step 3. Reset your AirPods. Put AirPods in the case. Keep the lid open, hold the bottom on the back 15 seconds until the light turns yellow to white. This gives the AirPods a fresh start. Step 4. Restart your iPhone. Hold volume up plus side button, slide to power off, not turn it back on again. Restarting clears iOS 18 Bluetooth box. Step 5. Clean the AirPods and charging case. Clean the bottom, charging pins, clean the metal contacts inside the case. Remove dust using a soft cloth. Dirty contacts cause pairing and disconnecting issue. Step 6. Disable automatic switching. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth, then AirPods eye icon. Tap connect to the device. Select when last connected to this device. This stops AirPods from jumping between your device. And this is how you can fix if your AirPods not pairing or disconnecting on iOS 18. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.